picking up our OSB. Charlotte, North Carolina Lowe's. 40 sheets. Just try to be careful with it.
You see that, don't you?
Oh, it's soaked.
Water.
All the way, everywhere.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense at all. Got a brand new knife. The problem is all this insulation underneath this stuff, for some reason or another, it's been leaking. Look at that. Wet everywhere.
Wet.
I know it's been leaking because they said they had holes in it. Actually, Paul, I looked around and there's pinholes all through this stuff. Pinhole.
Oh yeah?
Everywhere. Pinholes.
Through the rubber?
Through the rubber.
Huh, that ain't no good.
They're all down.
And look, that thick one, that thin one.
Oh, wow. Very thick.
That's good.
Wow. Wow.
You know, 16 or 2 foot.
Look how, 16? 16.
Cool. That's even better.
Yeah, well, anytime you cut open a mobile home roof, the very first thing you want to do is go to the panel box and see whether them wires run up or down, or make sure that they're in between the rafters like that and not on top. And fortunately, this one is, so I love it.
That's a good thing.
I love it. Thank you, Lord. Look at old deer running down the street.
I know.
Oh, there's another one.
Don't.
2 deer first thing this morning. Wondering which way do we go?
Good morning.
Which way do we go? One looking at the other one, trying to figure out which way he's going to go.
What's up? Where y'all going? There's another one over in the woods.
I seen that. Good morning, guys. They're gone.
No, they ain't gone. No, they right there. 3 of them.
We'll be able to turn our plywood back around because we have the rafter that goes this way. You can see it in there. So we'll be past it right here, but it's within 6 inches. So we'll just go ahead and turn it back that way because we have to go all the way to here with our next one. All the way to the top, and then we'll turn it back again and go that way. And away we go. Keep right on, keeping on. Beautiful. Doesn't take long. Next thing you know, you're at the other end. Does not take long at all. Right now, we're going to turn our plywood sideways because we're going up through that hill right there. And it doesn't have the same rafters, so we have to go with the rafters that are on the roof. So, sometimes when you come across an area like this, you're going to stop your plywood on a rafter right here in this situation. You see how our rafters are going this way now? See where we cut the holes in them and the 2x4s are lengthways? We want to go by them now for our next 4 feet. And then the next 4 feet past that, we'll be able to use regular plywood. All right, starting the plywood. What you're gonna wanna do is let that overhang 6 inches. And how you get that is you pull from the outside edge up 4 feet, minus 6 inches down, pop a line all the way across. And that's our 6 inch mark with an overhang. And then you just start laying your OSB and screwing it down to the rafters. All these red marks, all the red marks for my rafters. So I know exactly where they are. So you want to mark them, every single one of them. And if you notice, we just took a screwdriver and poked holes until we found the center. All right, everybody, as you've seen, we added the OSB all over the top of this thing with a 6 inch overhang. And then we added 2x4s down the fascia. You see it sticking out there at the end. It's covered up right now. And we need more. Hey, the back's not done. See, add a 2x4 all the way around. Just got our rubber thrown up here for overnight. And this end here only gets 1.5 inch overhang, 2 inch at the most, because it already has that big overhang. The other side, yeah, we'll put 3 across here. The rest of it gets 6 inches on the sides, 6 inch overhang. And we've done that throughout the whole mobile home. We have these here, 2 sheets tacked on because we're taking that off tomorrow. We have these 2 or 3 sheets here tacked on. We'll pull them off, pull this off tomorrow. So we'll strip all that down, clean it all up, and get it ready for the same thing. I don't know if we're putting OSB on it or what. We haven't kind of figured that out yet. We won't find out until we take that off and see what's under it.